Hi YouTube family, how's everyone doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new here, welcome to the Kaya Journey family. Like I always say, I would love to have you guys back on my next video. So don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. To all my old timers, hello, welcome back. To finish out the year, to wrap up 2017 of Green Beauty Foundation's review, we are going to review the Burt Bees Foundation. This is the Goodness Glows liquid foundation from Burt Bees. This is the darkest shade and it is in the color 1060 Chestnut. I also picked up an eyeshadow trio, the 1510 Bloomin' Desert eyeshadow trio. I also picked up a blush to try, and this is the 1205 Bare Peach blush, and I also picked up a lipstick to try, and this is in the color 502 Suede Splash. What I like to do first is always apply the foundation right away, just because I want to get it out the way. I always like to shake my liquid foundations. I'm going to get a clean brush, one pump of the foundation on my hand, and I'm just going to apply it to the right side of my face. On my face, I already moisturized it and I applied primer. I don't want to judge it yet. Let me just blend it in and see. Oh, this is a lot of product. Just keep going. Just keep going. No foundation with foundation. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. I mean, do you see the difference? Because clearly I do. First, I want to see if it is buildable. So still from that first pump, you really don't need much. I still have a lot left on my hand from that first pump. So I'm going to dip the brush in again and apply another layer. So this is what we have going on. This is with another layer applied. This is how it's looking. Now applying it on this side, the right side of my face. Lies, that is lies, that's lies. The left side of my face, I'm going to apply it, but I'm going to use my Eco Tools beauty sponge to apply it. And let's do this, I guess. Now that the foundation is applied to both sides of my face, let's talk before I move on to the other products. I also applied eyebrows very quickly, nothing special, because I'm not really going anywhere today, so don't judge eyebrows. Thank you very much. Don't judge them. But as a foundation on its own, it's so many no's, like no. So many no's in my book for me. I don't know why. I've watched other reviews on this foundation and some people love it. But it's just so many no's for me. I don't know if I got a bad batch or I don't know. But it's so many no's. And here are some of the few no's just to start off with. Obviously, the color match does not match my skin tone at all. This is their darkest shade. And it's too light for me. My face just looks overly... First of all, the color is just too light. And my face looks overly yellow. Like, this is my face. And as you can see, this is my chest and everything. So do you see the difference? But aside from that, sometimes I can just look beyond that. Well, you can't really look beyond it, but you know, I'm able to talk about the other benefits of the foundation. From what I'm seeing, and I don't know if you guys can see it, the foundation is just sitting. It just sit on top of my face. It's just sitting on top of my face. It is not blending in with my skin. When I use it with the brush, I thought it was because the brush was dry, why it looks so patchy and just sitting there. So I said maybe it's the brush, maybe because I'm using a dry brush, you know, it just looks patchy and dry. So I said, hold on, wait a minute. Let's try this side of my face now with the beauty sponge. And still in some areas like down here, it's just not covering, it's not even, it just looks patchy. And it's just sitting on top of my skin. The brush side is worse than the sponge side, but still regardless, it's not making a cohesive mesh. It's not cohesively blending with my skin. even though it is the wrong shade, it should not sit on my skin. You can see the little pigments and particles. You shouldn't really see that. So those are it's just a no. Just off the bat, you guys, just from the beginning. It's a no. It's a no in the foundation. It does feel lightweight on the skin. It really does feel lightweight on the skin. I don't feel it heavy. And a little bit does go a long way, which I realized. I used basically 2 pumps to do my entire face. So a little bit does go a long way. It doesn't feel heavy. It has a very light scent. It's not a perfume scent. I don't know how to describe it. It smells like maybe lotion, but it has a very light lotiony scent, which doesn't bother me. But yeah, I don't know. So let's do the eyeshadow. Let's do a look with eyeshadows. Which look should we create? The middle color, which is more of a burnt orange. Okay, it's not blending. Are you guys seeing this? It just looks like a whole bunch of glitter and pigment on my eyelid. It's not blending in at all. It's just not. It just has sit up on my eyelid like the foundation and not blend at all. Let me just move on to the other side. Right about now, I'm just speechless. I'm speechless. I'm going to put the darker brown color down here. I'm just going to put that in the outer V area to darken it up to see if anything happens. I'm putting it down here where there is just, and just to finish it off right in the center, this white color here, I'm just gonna pop that there. Why, I don't know. I've basically given up at this point. Honestly, I've basically given up. So I'm just gonna put that somewhere and hope for the best. Now we're going to blush it up. It's a clean brush, yeah. This is the blush, the Bare Peach blush. Put some here. The blush is barely there. All right, I'm seeing it a little bit more now. And then when you rub it in, it's gone again. Man. Let's just carry on, shall we? Last product, and then we're done. This is their lipstick. Yeah, in the color Suede Splash. This is how the color looks on its own without a lip liner. I actually like the color. I'm going to apply a lip liner to show you, how you can make it better. But I actually like the color. It feels great, very moisturizing going on the lips. Pigmentation wise, for darker skin lips like mine, for really pigmented lips like mine, it does take a 3 to 4 swipes to get this dark, but that's good in my opinion because you can build it up. So you can start off light and then build it up. So the lipstick, they look promising. I actually like the color on me, but let's add the lip liner to show you how it's really supposed to look. This is the lipstick with a brown lip liner. It's cute, real cute. I like it a lot. So the lipstick is a definite yes for me. I like it a lot with the brown lip liner. It's a very nice, I wouldn't say nude, but it's a really nice compliment, this color right here. I like it a lot. But I'm going to wear it for the entire day and thank all my lucky stars, every single lucky stars out there. I have nowhere to go today. I'm going to be in the house cleaning, doing house stuff, so I will not be caught in the streets with this on my face. So I'm going to just wear it the whole day, do home stuff, clean, all that wife, mother, home stuff when I'm not at my regular 9-to-5 job. I'm going to do that today and then come back later and give you guys my final thoughts on the entire products. Time right now is 11:58. In the camera, in the viewfinder, it looks bomb. I think it's just the camera settings. It just looks really smooth. These cameras lie. These cameras really, really, really lie. Bomb though, but in person, trust me, you guys, in person, it'll look nothing like this. It'll look nothing like this at all. Not gonna lie to them. More than lie to them. It'll look nothing like this in person. Anyway, see y'all later. Hello people, I am back. The time is 4:14 in the afternoon. Lipstick is gone, but let me reapply that really quick. Lipstick is back on. This is how the face is looking. Before I say anything else, like I said, this is my opinion. I tried this product for my benefit, well, to share with you guys also, but this is my opinion. Something that doesn't work for me might work for you. Something that works for you might not work for me. With all that said, my opinion is, let's start with the foundation. Foundation for me is a no. Quick story. As I was cleaning the house, home today, my doorbell rings. It's my neighbor, wants to get something. And as soon as she saw my face, she was like, oh, what's on your face? What's wrong with it? Mind your business, Allison. I'm doing a YouTube video. But my point of proving is, was as soon as she saw me, she was like, what's wrong with your face? And I'm like, mind your business. But I don't see the hype. I don't know who said this was okay. I don't know who approved this. Like, it's just a big no for me. I also forgot to mention how it left my skin. I think actually the formula itself, forget the patchiness, forget the fact that it doesn't blend in. My skin did not get super oily, and I appreciated that. I mean, usually my skin gets a lot more oilier than this, but it didn't. It really, so the formula itself, if it just fixed the other problems, it didn't get super oily, which is really, really good, and I'm really surprised by that. So kudos to you. And also, this little spot right here, it's moved around. I touched my face, and everything just moved off my face. The eyeshadow, garbage as well. I'm sorry to be so harsh, but it didn't blend. Color pigmentation wasn't the best, but I could finagle that. I could finesse that. It just sat on my eyelid, like just glitter just sitting there. It didn't blend, it didn't do anything. And the blush, I think out of all the products, this was the worst one for me. I know, could it be? But well, it was all bad. But the blush, I hated it. It gave me like a weird ashy color. The blush does come in, I think, 2 or 3 other shades. So it is possible you can get a different shade if this one doesn't work for you. But this one, I didn't like it. Last but not least, the star of the show. I mean, the only good product is the lipstick. Loved it, felt great on my lip. And I would also recommend this color. It's beautiful for people of color, black women, beautiful on dark skin tones. It is 502, like I said, Suede Splash. Just wear it with a nice lip liner, and you're good to go. And that is it. I mean, and also I wanted to look more into the company, so I went on their social media site. I mean, there's no excuse for certain things sometimes. Like their Instagram page, take a look for yourself. I just want just a little bit more representation, just a little bit more, diversity in the images or the people that you choose to show on your social media sites. Just a little bit more diversity. It was just nothing. So, I mean, it is what it is. If that's important to you, it was really bad. It was barely no one of color on their Instagram site. And the reason why I really wanted to review this foundation is because it's easily accessible. You can pick it up at Walmart, I believe Ulta.com, and some CVS's have it, so it's readily available to you. That's one of the main reasons I wanted to do it. It's not like a high-end foundation where you have to order online and wait. This is available to you right in your grass. I mean, Walmart, who doesn't go to Walmart? So, but still, garbage, done with, dash it away. Me don't want it again. Bury it, burn it, throw gasoline pan it. Don't even give it to the homeless. Don't even donate it, just dash it away. It's not even worth the donation. Oh my gosh, I'm so petty and harsh, but it's the truth. It's the truth. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This foundation worked for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. For me, it was just, nah. that is all, you guys. So this is the last foundation review of 2017. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the foundation reviews I've done for the year. I also have a playlist with all of those green beauty foundations. I will link it for you guys to watch if you're interested. Enjoy, and that is it. Don't worry, 2018 will bring new foundations, new green beauty foundations for me to review, test out, and try for you guys. Always leave your recommendations in the comment section. I already have some recommendations, and I'm in the process of ordering those for next year. So I do get to it. It takes me a while, you know, with the money and all that stuff, because I gotta pay for a lot of it, but I do get to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy your journey, and I hope you guys enjoyed my foundation reviews for 2017. Thank you guys again, and that's it. Bye.